Hey, hello everyone, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Illustrator CC class number 9. So in this class, I will going to show you two tools. So one tool is very important and you can create any shape, you can create any design you make for our designer. Okay, look here, you see some design. It's not a particularly usable design, just I understand to you, that's why I create this design. Just today I gonna show you this tool, how to use you and how to utilize and how to create any shape and how to create any design. Okay, so this video we will going to learn about this design. Okay, so don't talk here, let's move on. I'm pretty sure you see my Illustrator window. First I need 10 rectangular shapes so that I understand to you easy, and I each single shape apply to our design. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I want to change a color. Okay, so I took everything and now I start apply each single page, each single design by each single tools. So now let's see. So first tool, say here you see this is white tool. So let's check actually what does white tool. So first select this object and just a little bit drag and drop. Hold your mouse key. Okay, release the button, then you see little bit change your stock. Okay, and you can do also here little bit change and also here. Okay, so I think you got it. Actually this tool you can make a design any shape, anywhere, any corner or any anchor point. And now we're going to the next tool. Actually what does a next tool? Next tool is warp tool. Okay, select this warp tool and select also this shape. Okay, just press your key and so by this tool you create any design like a tree, like it's a many shape you can do it by these tools. Okay, so you can doing anything. Okay, and the next tool is triad tool. So let's see the triad tool. Just you hold your key on this corner, then magic. Just hold your key on this magic. Just hold your mouse key in this edge corner. Okay, okay, how many time you hold your key, then the shape is different. Okay, now we are going to check another tools. This is picker tool. Okay, just check on. So this picker tool, so you can create like a liquid something like that by this tool. Okay, so this is a picker tool, and the next tool is bloat tool. Now let's check a bloat tools. So when we are use a bloat tool, so bloat tools is doing is a bigly, and when you have a little bit increase or decrease your shape corner or your side, or now let's check it. So these bloat tools are doing like that. Okay, and you can also, I think you understand actually what is purpose we are use these tools. This tool you can use by increase or decrease your shape. Let's move on the another tools. So this one is scallop tool. Just check on. Let's see. First we select this shape and look, color tool, just hold your key and drag and drop. This tool is create a many anchor point and create a many anchor point, and it's look like a jungle type, something like that is created by these tools. Okay, now we are going to see a next tool. Next tool is crystallize tool. So this crystallize tool is just click on your mouse corner. Okay, this is the design. Okay, I think you got it. You can create like this design by crystallizing tool. Okay, so this is a crystallizing tool, and so I have last tool, which is the wrinkle. So what does a wrinkle? Let's see. So the wrinkle is just hold your mouse key and it's automatically getting a shape. It's a wave shape. Okay, it's automatic getting a shape. So we have last tools. Let's see. This tool is free transform tool. Just click on this and select a shape. Okay, and you hold your edge and do as you want. Okay, hold your edge or do as you want, or you can decrease also. Okay, and this also you can create by this. Okay, this also select on this picture and do. So everybody, I think you got it. Actually this tool used by this purpose. So try yourself, or if you have any confuse, please comment me. I will answer to you and I will understand to you another video. So this video is enough for today. Have a good day.